Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to make money while you sleep? In this video, we're going to reveal 7 passive income ideas you haven't tried yet. Stay tuned because these unique strategies could change your financial future. First up, creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is up, it can generate income for years with minimal effort. Next, consider print-on-demand services. Websites like Redbubble and Teespring allow you to design custom merchandise. When someone buys your design, the website handles the printing and shipping, and you earn a commission. Another great idea is writing and publishing ebooks. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish your book and reach a global audience. Once published, your ebook can provide a steady stream of income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another way to earn passive income. By investing in companies that pay regular dividends, you can receive a steady income without having to sell your shares. Real estate can also be a lucrative source of passive income. Renting out a property, whether it's a long-term rental or a vacation home, can provide a consistent income stream. Creating a mobile app is another innovative way to earn passive income. If you have a great idea for an app, you can develop it and earn money through ads or in-app purchases. Finally, consider licensing your photography. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos and earn money each time someone downloads them. There you have it, 7 passive income ideas you haven't tried yet. Which one will you start with? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom.